All right, perfect trade setup, early morning. One, volume is at 143%. Volume equals tradability. If volume's high, lock in. Lock in. And this is perfect because we essentially open at 441. High volume means trend following. We're going to go in that direction, more than 3 strikes. And what happens? 1, 2, 3, 437 is 4 strikes down. You already got that in the morning. And did we tag it perfectly with bear alerts? Yeah. This is why this is the perfect trade setup. Up here, anything can happen, anything can happen. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. But we're not interested in it right here. Like, if it's going to nuke, it just goes. Like, it is just, we'll like grind higher, but nuke is just like jumping off a cliff. And that's what happens, right? So we have a bear bias, and then we go above 439 here, and then another bear comes in. So already when we're seeing this, we're like, hey, I want to get into puts, but I want to buy that put above 439 because it's the market, right? They're going to kill these people really quickly. And first, they kill the bears, and then the bulls get absolutely destroyed. So, I mean, look at this. We're going to look at this in TradingView. But the way to think about it, you get the alert. It comes in Discord, email, however you like to do it. We come to the chart, and we see this, and we're like, yeah, this thing is definitely going down. Not definitely, but the advantage is on our side. It's probably going to go down. We want it to go down, but we want to buy this above 439, right? We want to buy it above 400. Oh my gosh, that's a confirmation right there. It's going up, and they're still buying puts and selling calls. All right, so let's look at TradingView. This comes in at 10:01:36, meaning you get the alert at 10:02. Okay, so right here at 439, that's where all the bears were coming in. And you want to buy it above. I mean, even if you bought it above right here, you get stopped out right about there at break even, but that's like the only time you would want to touch it. So here's 10:01, here's 10:02. This is when you get the alert. So we get the alert. We're looking because why? It's above the strike. And then it just 1, 2 reds. Anywhere you're buying in here above 439, it's moving into the money. And before you even get any sort of bounce, this is at 10:05, you're coming down $1.50 in 4 minutes. That's what I mean when I say, like, hey, nukes are directly off a cliff. Like, just boom. So to recap, morning, mixed, right? Mixed. Very bearish, very bearish. We want this above 439. You get it above 439, and this thing is straight down. Even if you took this alert here, I mean, it's up 170%. If you waited, that's like 200 something. And you're getting that 10:04 to current time, in 20 minutes. Like, it's 20 minutes, 200%. And that's following the rigged AI system. Like, does it get better than that? Like, bang, crazy, epic. Let's go, people. So, like, this is important because we shipped a strategy guide with every single alert. So here, this is 9:57, remember? We are chopping at the $439 strike, and this is already in the money. So it's potential to nuke further, but we're nearing the average. Difficult trade. Only enter if you can get a good entry on any kind of bounce above the strike price. And what happened? You got a bounce above, okay? The bull bomb came after. You were able to make money really quickly on this. Yeah, it's 43% in 5 minutes. But it's telling you, high volume, likely to nuke beyond 3. Feels early, you're in this trade watching a chop, hoping it will go up. You're going to get nuked. If it's a second bull bomb and it looks like we're bouncing, take the trade. Is it the second one? Not really. I mean, second in a row? Maybe we should change the wording. But last part of the video, most important, this one here. This is right here, okay? Trade it. Look for a good entry and take the trade. If volume's over 120%, it could mean 4+ strikes. What happens? Volume, bam, 146%, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're offloading a little bit here, you're offloading a little bit here, and you're down to runners now. Free contracts, they're gonna capture as much of the move that possibly exists. That is rigged AI. That is awesome. Gonna be a good day. Let's see what comes up next.